today I'm showing my whole entire Rubik's Cube collection. Let's get into it with two. I have one by one, which is a pretty easy cube to solve. We have a black 2x2. It's probably one of my smoothest cube in my collection. Then we have one Rubik's Cube that has Rubik's, and I put a Moyu sticker on it. It feels like it's sanded down, to be honest. I have one more Rubik's, which is a pretty fast one on me. I have one star cube, and it turns into a cube. I have another star cube that solves itself. I have one of these cubes that are pretty easy to solve. I solved it already. I have one Mega Minx. I have one Pure Minx. I have one non-WCA. I have this modded star cube. Then I have this cube that was from a Moyu iCube. Apart, and I reassembled it, and it's a pretty easy cube to solve. I have one 4x4. It is a Rubik's 4x4, so it's not that good. I have one. Yeah, I'm almost done. I'm on my last 3x3s. Just talking to someone. I have this 3x3. It does not work, unfortunately. I have this 3x3. Which is very smooth, and it's very smooth. I'm gonna lube it soon, so it's gonna be better. I have this one. I have a Rubik's brand, the old Rubik's brand. Kind of like sturdy. I have this. Yeah, sure, just one minute. So I have one. This is the Rubik's Speed Cube. This is the Rubik's. This is a Rubik's Cube. Then I have this last Rubik's Cube. I have a Moyu sticker on it. And that is my whole entire cube collection. I have this 2x2 and that one. Here's all my cubes. That is all my cubes. And I have all these. Those are all my cubes. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.